Tired of costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns? These top 10 used cars are the most reliable models on the market, offering peace of mind and affordable upkeep. Discover the best choices for dependable, hassle-free driving. Number 10. Mitsubishi ASEX and Honda CR-V. With a reliability index score of 85.3, the Mitsubishi ASEX and Honda CR-V tie for 10th place. The Mitsubishi ASX, a compact SUV popular for family use, has earned a solid reputation. However, it is prone to suspension issues, which come with an average repair cost of around $910. Engine issues are rare but costly, with one recorded repair reaching $4,050. Meanwhile, the Honda CR-V, a well-regarded SUV, has an average repair cost of $715, with the electrical system being the most common area of concern. The CR-V's highest repair cost was a gearbox replacement, amounting to $3,405. Despite these occasional expenses, the ASEX and CR-V remain top choices for reliability, especially models from 2014 and later. Number 9. Volkswagen Up and Kia Ceed. In 9th place, the Volkswagen Up and the second-generation Kia Ceed both scored 87.1. The Volkswagen Up, a compact city car, is generally low maintenance but can encounter air conditioning issues, costing an average of $670 per fix. The highest recorded repair cost was $1,270 for a fuel system problem. The Kia Ceed, known for its durability, especially in the second generation, has slightly higher repair costs, averaging $740, with brakes being a frequent issue. One Ceed owner faced a gearbox repair costing $2,960. Despite the Ceed's higher repair costs, Warranty-Wise gave both cars the same score due to the Up's lower mileage when repairs occurred, balancing out the cost difference. Number 8. Toyota Avensis. The Toyota Avensis, specifically the third-generation model sold between 2015 and 2018, ranks 8th with a score of 87.1. Known for its spacious interior and dependability, this midsize sedan is often favored by long-distance commuters. Notably, Avensis owners report the highest average mileage in this top 10, at over 93,000 miles. Fuel system repairs are the most common, with an average repair cost of $710. In one case, a turbocharger replacement cost a driver $2,360, marking the most expensive repair recorded for this model. Overall, the Toyota Avensis stands as a strong choice for those seeking a reliable car that can handle high mileage with ease. Number 7. Toyota Aygo and Mazda 2. Sharing 7th place with a score of 88.4, the Toyota Aygo and Mazda 2 are top choices in the small car category. The Toyota Aygo is known for its compact build, making it a favorite for city drivers. Clutch repairs are the most frequent, with an average cost of $545, though an electrical repair once cost $710. Number 6. Seat Me. Scoring 89, the Seat Me ranks 6th. Known for its small size and practicality, the Me is an ideal choice for urban driving. This model boasts the lowest average repair cost in the top 10 at $595 per fix, with the cooling system being the most frequent area of concern. The most expensive repair recorded for the Me was $1,580 for a gearbox issue, but such major repairs are uncommon. Interestingly, the Me is very similar to the Volkswagen Up, yet it performed better due to the higher average mileage before issues arose. The Seat Me is an excellent option for anyone seeking a cost-effective and reliable city car. Number 5. Suzuki SX4. The Suzuki SX4, especially the second-generation model sold after 2014, ranks 5th with a score of 89.3. This compact SUV is valued for its versatility, offering solid performance both in urban settings and light off-road conditions. The average repair cost for the SX4 is $1,640, with cooling system issues being the most common. The highest repair cost recorded for this model was a significant $7,830 for an engine repair, though such cases are rare. With a typical lifespan of nearly 9 years before repairs are needed, the SX4 stands out as a reliable choice for drivers seeking an SUV with longevity. Number 4. Suzuki Swift and Toyota Hilux. The Suzuki Swift and Toyota Hilux tie for 4th place, both scoring 8 to 9.6. The Swift, a compact hatchback, is known for its efficient design and low operating costs. Its air conditioning is a common point of repair, averaging $710 per fix. A more severe engine issue cost one Swift owner $2,910. The Toyota Hilux, famed for its durability, is often used in challenging conditions, making it a favorite for those needing a rugged vehicle. Suspension issues are common, with an average repair cost of $1,830. One extreme repair cost $4,710 to fix a suspension issue. While repairs are costlier for the Hilux, it breaks down less often, which keeps it among the most reliable choices. Number 3. Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris earns the 3rd spot on the reliability list with a reliability index score of 91.5, thanks to its dependable performance, especially in urban areas. This compact car is popular among city drivers for its fuel efficiency, compact design, and low operating costs. With an average repair cost of around $710, the Yaris' most common issue involves its electrical system, which is generally affordable to fix. However, some models have faced costly repairs in cases of gearbox issues, with one owner paying as much as $2,870. Despite occasional higher repair bills, the Yaris has a reputation for durability and longevity. Number 2. Kia Venga. The Kia Venga takes the 2nd spot on the list with a high reliability index score of 93.6, making it one of the most reliable small MPVs for families and practical drivers. Known for its spacious interior, high seating position, and easy maneuverability, the Venga offers both comfort and convenience. It's built to handle daily commutes and family trips without frequent maintenance issues, adding to its value as a dependable used car. Electrical issues are the most common, with repairs averaging $835. However, a major power steering repair once cost an owner $3,515, though such high repair bills are rare. Number 1. Suzuki Alto. With an exceptional reliability index score of 95.1, the Suzuki Alto tops the list as the most reliable used car. This compact city car is celebrated for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Designed with urban drivers in mind, the Alto's minimalistic design contributes to its reliability by reducing the likelihood of complex mechanical issues. Its average repair cost stands at just $835, and warranty-wise data indicates very few common issues with the model. So few, in fact, that the most frequent category is simply miscellaneous. Thanks for watching. If you found this rundown of the most reliable used cars helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking for a dependable ride. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, car reviews, and insights on making the best choices in the auto world. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.